VIS and Cbon or Cybon, I don't know how to say it.
Cybon?
Yeah, something like that. Like it. What's up, guys? So today we are installing this. You don't know what this is. I didn't know what it was either. 2 splitter videos that I put out, both were really good. I've gotten some good feedback from them. But I had a couple of my friends mention that you need to kind of wrap over this with this stuff. This stuff is edge trim. I got it at AutoZone for I think like a little over $13. Really cheap, but it's gonna go over this that way because I wrapped this, well, Russell wrapped it, and if you kind of leave it exposed, I mean, there's a really good chance that it's probably gonna come up eventually. So it's been like this for like 2 days. Nothing is shown at all, but this stuff will take care and remediate that problem. What are you doing?
Shit, I cut a bitch. Gang shit only.
You look like you were cutting your nails.
SoundCloud rapper up in this bitch. Shit.
You can't put that in the video, are you? It's gonna be a short video, but nevertheless, it's a video.
Hey, you know what they say? Short video, short ad revenue.
It's the first right thing you said today.
Well, I got you these.
Oh, I thought you got these to kind of cut the...
Well, both.
Put any of this on the M3?
Yeah, I bet. Let's put on my carbon fiber spoiler.
Yeah. Put it on the door, that way whenever you open your door, like you can't...
Is that what it's for?
Well, like, yeah, like, so I've seen it on a couple, like, I saw it on a Focus ST once. Like, whenever you open your door and you accidentally, like, hits, like, your garage or something, yeah, I've seen them put it over the edge.
I've never accidentally hit anything with my car.
Oh, yeah, because you're so perfect, and you're like, oh, parking precision. Oh, my garage, like, my driveway is so huge, like, nothing hits anything.
Would you get pissed if I sanded your key down on the concrete that it would?
I get that. That's the only key I have. Piece of shit, give me your key back.
Get it started, it'll go on.
Where are we gonna start though?
Right there. Do you need me to teach you? No.
Wait.
Oh my god, let me do this.
No, how do we do it? Just tell it. Just tell me.
Yeah, right there on the edge.
So I'm making good progress. However, it's been pretty hard. You look here, like it just wants to kind of like stay shut. Let's see if I can get a focus on that. Kind of see it there. It just kind of wants to like twist and stay shut. So I've had to resort to getting like different types of pliers, and you know, I've been using, where are these? I've been using these, and these have been really helpful. I've just been kind of putting it in, and I've just been putting it on the splitter and like running these along it. Because if like you don't, that it really wants to stay shut. But I'm almost done. So that was actually a little harder than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm happy with the result. That actually took me like an hour and a half. The first part was tricky. As I got to the end, it was easier to I was getting the hang of it as far as pulling everything apart. So just be prepared. It was also, it really kind of hurt my fingers and whatnot, but have a pair of pliers and it'll be a lot easier. Right now we're gonna go to a little car meet that's not too far from here. I really wish I could have gotten to wash it, but it's supposed to rain a little later on night, so it didn't really make sense to. I was gonna shoot a little edit here of it, but I'll shoot a little edit at the meet and of the meet. So you can kind of see how it looks, see how I did, and you know, see some other cars along the way. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, so actually didn't get to go to the meet because it turned out there wasn't meet. I mean, there was, but it was like on the other side of Houston, and we thought it was one right by our house in Sugar Land, but it wasn't. Nevertheless, I thought I'd kind of take it near the downtown area. I'm gonna put in the edit now, so I'm gonna stop talking. All right, see y'all later. Bye.